Hello and welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna just jump straight into this tutorial. I already did my eyebrows with MAC's Espresso eyeshadow and the eyebrow pencil in Spike, and I'm just concealing my eyebrows as well as using that concealer on top of my lid with the Fenty Beauty concealer in 340. So now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills loose eyeshadows, and I'm actually going in with 3 different ones, but I'll leave the name of the eyeshadow in the description bar below, so make sure you guys go and check that out. So now I'm concealing my eyelids with the same Fenty concealer, and then I'm gonna go in on top of that concealer with another ABH loose eyeshadow. So here I'm just lining my eyelid with a liquid liner. I'm not trying to make a cat eye or anything like that, but I just want a little bit of darkness on the top of my lid before I put on my lashes, so that's what I'm doing. So now it's time for foundation. I'm starting off with the Fenty Beauty Pro'filter primer, and then I'm gonna correct with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color orange. So this video is supposed to be a talk through, but at the time that I recorded this, it was after midnight and my baby was sleeping, so I did not want to wake her. So my volume did not come out as loud as I wanted it to, so I ended up doing a voiceover. So you see me right here talking, don't worry about that. It took a while for me to honestly start using the corrector before I put on foundation. I just never really saw the point in it because I never had any acne scarring or anything like that. But I started developing these huge acne scars as I got older and my skin got oilier, and I became more acne prone. So the orange corrector, or any kind of corrector, really helped bring out the foundation more than my acne under the foundation. So the size of the brush I was using was way too small. That would have took forever, and ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm just using a bigger brush to blend out the corrector, and then I'm gonna jump right into my rice powder before I go to the foundation. So I'm going in with Kampala as my foundation today. It's actually the only one that's closest to me in the whole entire Juvia's Place Magic Foundation collection. I tried the one above, which is Somalia, but it was way too pale, and the one below, Burkinia, was way too red. So Kampala, she does it for now. And I'm just making sure that I also bring that foundation a little bit up to my eyebrows, so you don't see that concealer from my eyebrow. Everything just flows so seamlessly. And then I'm going in with my beauty sponge to pat everything in, and then I'm going to conceal with my Fenty Beauty 340 concealer. So we've made it this far in the tutorial. Just take a quick second. Below there's a subscribe button. Just go ahead and hit that, as well as the like button, and then you can comment and let me know how you feel about the video. I really appreciate it. So for contour today, I'm using the black Opal Suede Mocha. I love using this as a contour stick, even though it's a foundation stick, because it's very creamy, it's smooth, and it's easy to blend out. Super easy to blend out. So I use this in majority of my contouring for my makeup tutorials. And then after that, I'm just gonna go in with my Maybelline matte poreless press powder to absorb my excessive oils. So to bake today, I'm using the Sacha Buttercup loose powder. And then to bronze up my face, I'm going to use the MAC Mineralize Skinfinish in Dark Deep. So I did my eyebrow already at the beginning of the tutorial, but I wanted more definition. So I'm just going in with the Brow Promade from ABH. I believe it's in the color chocolate, but check down in the description box below just for the correct name. But I think it's chocolate. Anyways, after that, I'm going to go in with my Microsmooth powder from Sephora in Mahogany as my all-over powder. I love this no matter what foundation routine I'm doing, what tutorial I'm doing. This goes in every look. I just love this. It makes everything flow together. And I also explained this in my last video. I'll leave a link somewhere to the right or the left, and you can check out that last video. So because I use so much powder already, I'm going to need some hydration back into my skin, even though I'm an oily girl. So I'm using the Badescu, I probably said that wrong, Badescu setting spray all over my face. And then I'm just going to touch up my brow bone with the Microsmooth Mahogany powder from Sephora. I'm using a clean blending brush just to blend out all my eyeshadow and where I put the Microsmooth on the brow bone, just to make everything still flow together. And then for my inner tear duct, I'm gonna go in with the MAC eyeshadow in a rice powder for some brightness. So I'm going in with a blush palette from my local Ross store, so it doesn't really have a name. And again, I used this in my last video, so don't forget to check that out. So I'm going back in with MAC's Dark Deep just for a little bit more contour, and then I'm going to finalize my face with the Revolution Setting Spray for oily skin. For my lips, I'm using MAC lip liner and the Kat Von D lipstick, and the names will be listed in the description bar, so make sure you guys check that out. So this is the final look. Don't forget to like, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below if you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be uploading every Saturday and Sunday. So I will see you guys next week for another tutorial.